Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to solve exercise 27B from the topic graphical solution. We are going to learn how to solve simultaneous equations using graph. So this exercise is going to be solved in two parts. So after going through this video, if you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we start with the first question, which is multiple choice questions. Choose the point of intersection of lines x is equal to 8 and y minus 8 is equal to 0. So where will these lines meet? Remember, this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. So x is equal to 8. If this is a point here, x is equal to 8 is going to be this line. And y minus 8 is equal to 0. So it is y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 is going to be this line passing from this point. Y is equal to 8. So they are going to meet at point 8, 8. So this is the correct option. Next question. For the line y is equal to 20 plus 2x, if x is equal to 20, find the value of y. So the value of y is, if x is equal to 20, just put in place of x, you put 20. 20 times 2 is 40 and 40 plus 20 is 60. Question number 3. The point that lies on the line 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 can be taken as. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 can be taken. You can try with putting the values of x and y in the given options. Okay. And you can see when it is satisfied, that is going to be the correct option. Now, since the value is positive, value of here 2x minus 3y is positive. Let me put these values of x as 5. So 2 times 5 minus y as 2. So 3 times 2. So 5 2s are 10 minus 3 times 2 is 6, which is equal to 4. So the correct option is third one. Got it? The next question is the third MCQ B. The line x plus 5 is equal to 0, which is going to be x is equal to minus 5. And x is equal to minus 5 is going to be the line which is going to be parallel to y-axis. It is going to be parallel to y-axis. The last MCQ, the lines y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 cut each other at which point? So we should know what is the common point. So this is y is equal to 2. So if y is equal to 2, that means the y-intercept, that is value of c, is going to be 2. So either of this or this option could be there. So what we do, we substitute the values and checks. Again, it is a positive 12. So let me take these values over here. So if I put the values of this as 3 in x, so 2 times 3 plus 3 times y ka value is 2, so 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6, so which is equal to 12. So this is the point where both of these lines are going to meet. Okay, how did we decide? That the y-intercept was same. Okay, it has to be 2. So then we, since it is minus 3 2 and this is y is equal to 2 is the definitely the line which is going to be parallel to x-axis. So we should check with this point. Got the hint? Moving to question number 2, the following pairs of equations. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0 is the line x is equal to 5. So we draw the line x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 is a line which is parallel to y-axis. It is parallel to y-axis. Great. So it is x minus 5 is equal to 0 is the line. The next is y plus 4 is equal to 0, where it is y is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4 is this line. And remember, when we solve the simultaneous equation graphically, that means where these 2 points meet is the solution. So this is 5 comma minus 4. So we have a solution set, that is x and y is equal to, you have 5 comma minus 4. So value of x is 5 and value of y is minus 4. Got it? In the second question, let us make y the subject. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 23. So let us take the points x and y. So if you take x is equal to 10, 10 times 2 is 20 minus 20 plus 3. That is minus 20 plus 23. You get this as 3. If you take x is equal to 7, 7 2s are minus 14 plus 23. If you take x is equal to 7, 23 minus 14 is 9. If you take x is equal to 11, 11 2s are 22. So minus 22, x is equal to 11. I'm taking minus 22 plus 23, which is going to be 1. So 3 points we have taken. Let us draw the line for this 2x plus y is equal to 23. So 10, 3. So 10, 3 is this point. Then we have 7, 9. So x is 7 and y is 7, 9 is this point. 7, 9. Then we have x is 11 and y is 1, 11 and 1. So this is how this line, let us draw the straight line to be drawn with the help of ruler. So this is our graph for the line 2x plus y is equal to 23. We are done with one line. Let us start with the second one. The second line 4x minus y is equal to 19, making y the subject. Y will move this side. So we get y is equal to 4x. 19 goes over here, it becomes minus 19. So x and y. To take x is equal to 7. If you take x is equal to 7, you get 7 times 4 is 28. 28 minus 19, you get the value of y as 9. If you take x is equal to, let us say 5. So if you take x is equal to 5, you get 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20 and 20 minus 19 is going to be 1. If you take x is equal to 6, if you take x is equal to 6, 6 fours are 24 and 24 minus 19 is going to be 5. So x is equal to 6. You get 24 minus 19 is going to be 5. So let us plot these points over here. Please draw the table always whenever we have to draw plot the points. Minimum 3 points are required for drawing a line always. So let us start 7, 9. So 7, 9 is this point. Okay. Then 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, x is 5 and y is 1 is this point. Then we have 6, 5, x is 6 and y is 5. 6 and y is 5 is this point. Let us draw this line. So this is the line we have drawn, which is, this line is 4x minus y is equal to 19, and we can see that the lines are meeting at the point 7 comma 9. So we have our solution set is equal to 7 comma 9, or you can say x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 9 is the solution for this equation. You can also get an hint here. Can you see this common point for this? And that's the solution for an equation. Okay, so this have we have done question number 2. Moving to question number 2. So 3x plus 7y is equal to 27. Let us make x the subject. So you get 3x is equal to minus 7y plus 27. Dividing by 3, you get x is equal to minus 7 by 3y plus 27 by 3, which is going to be 9. Let us create the table here, x and y. Now here we are going to put the value of y such that it is divisible by 3, such that it is divisible by 3. So we take y is equal to 3. So minus 7 upon 3 into 3 plus 9. 3, 3 got cancelled. 9 minus 7, we get this as 2. If you take x is equal, y is equal to 6. If you take y is equal to 6, you get 3 2s are 6. So you get 7 2s are minus 14 plus 9. So minus 14 plus 9, we get this as minus 5. Then if you put x, y is equal to say 9. So we have minus 7 upon 3 times 9 plus 9. 3 threes are 7 threes are 21 minus 21 plus 9. We get it as minus 21 plus 9. We get it as, we get this as minus 12. Value of x as minus 12. Let us draw the line for this 2 3. So x is 2, y is 3. So 2, 3. X is minus 5 when y is 6. X is minus 5 when y is 6. Minus 5 and 6. Minus 5 and 6. When x is minus 12, you have y is 9. So minus 12. Minus 12 and y is 9. So minus 12 and 9. Let us draw the line for this equation. And this is our line. This is our line. 3x plus 7y is equal to 27. Let us draw the line for the next equation. 8 minus y is equal to 5x, 5 by 2x. So 5 by 2x, let us take y there and 5 by 2x over here. So we get 5 by 2 comes over here because minus 5 by 2, we get minus 2.5x plus 8 is equal to y. So y is equal to minus 2.5x plus 8, or you can make it as minus 5 by 2. So we get y is equal to minus 5 by 2x plus 8. Let us keep it as it is. So now let us create the table for x and y. Let us take x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Minus 5 plus 8 we get 3. If you take x is equal to 4. So 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. So minus 5 by 2 times 4 plus 8. So this is 2 twos are. So we get minus 10 plus 8. Minus 10 plus 8 is minus 2. If you take x is equal to 6, so we get 6. So 2 threes are 3 5s are 15, minus 15 plus 8, we get the value of y as minus 7. Let us plot here 2 3. Oh, we got the solution. 2 3 is another common point over here. So of course it has to be the solution. So 2 3 is this point. 2 3. Next is 4 minus 2. X is 4 and y is minus 2. And we have x is 6 and y is minus 7. X is 6 and y is minus 7. These are the points. Let us join them. And this is our line. This is the line. Which is the line? It is 8 minus y is equal to 5 by 2x. And where do they meet? They meet at the point 2, comma 3. So our solution is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Got it? Now let's start with the question number 4 of the second part. And let us simplify this. We take this 3 here. So we have 3 in bracket, x plus 1 is equal to 4 times 2, 8 in bracket, 1 minus 2y. So we have 3x plus 3 is equal to 8 minus 16y. Making x the subject, we have 3x is equal to minus 16y plus 8 minus 3 plus 3 goes here minus 3. So we have x is equal to minus 16 upon 3, 16y upon 3 plus 5 by 3. Now you need to create the table for the values of x and y. So you need to look for the values in such a way that value of y in such a way that the number in the numerator should be divisible by 3, because the LCM of this is going to be 3 there. So choosing the value of y in such a way so that we get the numerator as 3. Let us take y is equal to minus 1. So if you take y is equal to minus 1 into minus 16 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 divided by 3, you get the value of x as 7. So let us take value of y as minus 4. So if you take minus 4, you get 16 fours are 64. So positive 64 plus 5, 69. 69 is divisible by 3. 69 divided by 3, you get this as 23. Let us take the value of y as 2. So 16 times 2 is 32, minus 32 plus 5. 32 minus 5 is minus 27. 32 plus 5, minus 32 plus 5. You get it as, let's draw the graph for this line. So for drawing the graph, we will be choosing the scale. On our graph paper, we don't have these many values of 42 and all. So we can choose a proper scale here. So on x-axis, I'll take the multiples of 7. So I'll start with 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. Minus 7, minus 14, minus 14, minus 21, minus 28, and minus 35, and so on. On y-axis, I can see minus 1, minus 4, 2. So I'll choose the normal 1, 2, 3, and 4. And minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. So let us draw. So first point is 7 minus 1. So we have 7 minus 1 as the point here. So 7 minus 1 is this point, 7 comma minus 1. Next is 20, okay, 23 comma minus 4. So 23 on x-axis. So 23 comma minus 4 is going to be somewhere here. And then you have 9 minus 9 2. So minus 9 2 is the point over here somewhere. Minus 9 2. Let us join and complete this first line. So the first line is ready. This is our line. Use the ruler for drawing this line. So our first line is ready. The line that we have drawn is x plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 by 3 bracket 2 by 3 bracket 1 minus 2y. So our first line is ready. Let us now create the points for the second line. So we have 2 plus 5y upon 3 is equal to xy 7 minus 2. So the LCM is 7 here. So 7. So you have x minus 14. 7 2s are 14 upon 7. So now cross multiply. You get 7 here. So 7 in bracket 7 in bracket 2 plus 7 bracket 2 plus 5y is equal to 3 bracket x minus 14. So let us simplify. 7 2s are 14 plus 35y plus 35y is equal to 3x minus 42. Minus 42. Now let us make x the subject. So keeping this 3x here and taking the other things over here, you have 3x is equal to the 35y was already here. 35y and minus 42 goes here, it becomes this minus 35y is over here, minus 42 goes here, it becomes plus 42. 42 plus 14, you get this as 56. 42 plus 14, you get this as 56. So you have x is equal to 35y upon 3 or 35y plus 56 upon 3. Choose the values of y wisely so that you get the number in the numerator which is divisible by 3. So let us take the points x and y. Okay, so let us take the values of points over here. So you have to choose the value of y such that the numerator becomes divisible by 3. So if you take value of y as minus 1, if you take value of minus 1, so you have 56 minus 35 is 21, and 21 divided by 3, you get the value of x as 7. So if you take the value of y as minus 4, if you take the value of y as minus 4, so you have 35 times 4 is going to be 140. 35 times 4 is going to be 140 minus 140 plus 56. So minus 140 plus 56, you get this as 100 and this is 4 and carry 1, 40 minus 6 is 8, 84. So 84 is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 28. So you get the value of x as minus 28. If you take the value of y as 2, so if you put the value of y as 2, 35 2s are 70. 70 plus 56 is 126. And 126 divided by 3, you get 3 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 42. Okay, so we got this line points now. Let us draw the line for this graph now. Drawing the lines for this graph. So we have 7 minus 1. This is the common point. So that is going to be definitely the solution. 7 minus 1. And then next is minus 28 minus 4. So minus 28 minus 4. Minus 28 minus 4. The next is 42 2. So 42 on x-axis, 2 on y, 42 2. Let us draw this line. So our second line is going to be ready now. You are using the ruler for the same. This is our line ready. Let us write the equation of a line here. So equation was 2 plus 5y upon 3 is equal to x upon 7 minus 2. So you can see that the lines are meeting at the point 7 comma minus 1. So the solution set for this equation is x is equal to, we have the solution, the graphical solution for this equation is x is equal to 7, y is equal to minus You can also see here the common point. Common point over here is the solution for this question. Got it? So you're done with the question number 2 here. 4 parts were there. Let us start with question number 3. Let's start with question number 3. You have x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So let us take x. You have x is equal to 2y plus 4. So we have made x the subject. Let us take the coordinates for this. So x and y. So if you put y is equal to 0, 0 times 2, you get x is equal to 4. If you put y is equal to minus if we put y is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 times 2 is minus 2 plus 4, you get x is equal to 2. If you put y is equal to minus 2, so minus 2 times 2 is minus 4 plus 4, you get 0. So you got the points. Now let us draw the points. For that, let us take the coordinates. They have said 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. So you can 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So 4, comma 0 on x-axis 4 and y0 is this point. Then we have 2, comma minus 1. So 2 and minus 1 is this point, 2 minus 1. Then we have 0 minus 2. X is 0 and y is minus 2. So let us draw this line. So we have this line ready. So this is our line. Do not forget to write the equation of a line here. So equation is x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Let's start creating the points for the second one. So we have 2x plus y is equal to 3. Let us make y the subject. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. So x and y, let us take x as 0. So you get y is equal to 3. If you take x is equal to 2, 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 plus 3, you get this as minus 1. If you take x is equal to 1, so you get 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So let us plot these points now. Choose some other color for this. Okay, 0, 3. So x is 0 and y is 3 is this point, 0, 3. Then we have 2, comma minus 1. 2, comma minus 1 is again the common point. Of course, that is going to be the solution. And 1, 1, 1, 1. So let us draw. Yeah. So this is your line ready. Do not forget to have the arrows on the line, and the equation of this line is 2x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, so solve graphically. So you have where the lines meet is the solution. So your solution set is 2 comma minus 1, or you can say x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Understood?